In this lecture, we are going to learn 5 common mistakes that are done by webmasters as mentioned in Google Webmaster Center blog. The first mistake is don't assign canonical tag to the subpages of each post. For example, let's assume that a post has got 10,000 words and you have split it into 10 pages. In that case, don't assign the first page as target canonical URL to the remaining pages because they are not duplicate content, right? They are just split into multiple pages. If you still want to assign a canonical tag, then assign the target URL of a complete post which contains all the 10,000 words. That will be appropriate. So, in this case, Google's recommendation is to mention the canonical tag to a single page version of the article. The second mistake is either mention the canonical tag URL in the form of relative HTML, that is, like just cupcake.html for this target URL. In other words, you should not mention a link without HTTP because when you write like this, then Google will consider it as example.com slash example.com slash cupcake.html because when you mention a link without HTTP, it will be considered as a relative URL instead of absolute URL. So keep an eye on that. The third mistake is that you should mention only one canonical tag and a target URL per post. That is, you should not redirect a single post to multiple posts. That's why there should be only one canonical tag per post. If you add multiple canonical tags, then Google will neglect all of them. So make sure that you mention only one. It can happen when you install multiple plugins which handles canonical tags. The fourth mistake is assigning canonical tag to a category or a landing page to some featured article. Let's say you run a site about desserts and your site has some useful category pages like pastry, and each day you are publishing a featured unique article. And for instance, if you want your category to be redirected to those featured articles in the eyes of Google, and if you add canonical tag for those categories, then you should know that those categories will never appear in Google search results. That's why you should not add a canonical tag to a category altogether. For example, if you add this canonical tag to pastry category, then that pastry category will not appear in Google search result. The last or the fifth mistake is adding this canonical tag inside the body. Canonical tags must be added inside the head HTML tags and not inside the body tag. So make sure that you insert inside the head tag of the HTML document and not like this inside the body tag. Apart from these 5 mistakes, Google also has some recommendations for the webmasters to be followed. The first recommendation is that don't unnecessarily assign canonical tag for every other post that you like. Assign canonical tags only to the posts which have a considerable amount of text as common because adding multiple canonical tags will reduce the number of indexed pages of your site. Also double check whether the target canonical tag exists or not because if the target doesn't exist, then it may show a 404 error page. The third thing that you should make sure is that target canonical URL page is not assigned a no index tag because it should be indexable by Google. In the next lecture, you will learn some of the bad practices which you should not follow on your site, else, you will get penalized by Google algorithms.